Well, hello again. It's Dr. August Dunning, and this is another video in a series of the benefits of dry fasting. One of the biggest benefits of dry fasting is weight loss. I mean, during a dry fast, you've switched to oxidative phosphorylation, which is basically burning fatty acids out of your fat cells, and you're not taking any glucose in. So all you're doing is running your system on fat, which means you got to burn it down. You burn it down over a few days, and you lose 10, 15 pounds on these dry fasts. The reason this works is because dry fasting doesn't turn off the chemicals to start turning on the selection to get fat. You know, water fasting is bad in that respect because water fasting never stimulates the body to go into dehydration because it's not dehydrated. And when you do that, it derails the action in the hypothalamus to release factors to start tapping your fat cells. So what happens on a dry fast is a benefit that it's just a function of the dry fast itself, where you lose weight. It's a fantastic thing. It's easy to do. You do nothing and you lose weight. It's a wonderful thing. Anyway, that's the message today. Dry fast to lose weight. Please subscribe, please hit the like button, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.